Hey, hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're all good, you're well, and all is good with you. I wanted to do like a quick intro before I get on with my day. So today we are having a family get together, like a family barbecue. Yeah, the sun is not really giving summer, and the weather is kind of like cloudy, rainy. You know the English weather. The English weather will be on some weird stuff. Like, I don't even understand it. Like, I've been living in the UK for many years and I still don't get it. I don't get this weather, and I don't think I will ever get this weather. It's bizarre. Okay, so English, talking about the weather like on my intro. But yeah guys, so I just wanted to let you know that I really do appreciate you guys. I really love your support. I love everybody that shares me out. You guys, honestly, like, you warm my heart when you share me out. I'm like, really, thank you for everybody that shares me out. Thank you for everybody that supports me, that likes, that comment. I really want to get to know you and you get to know me. So yeah, on this platform I talk about all things health and well-being. I share with you guys my fitness journey, like my vlogs, and I try to share as much as possible, but at the same time keeping my privacy private, okay? Because we know on these internet you gotta be careful on the internet, because data is important. Your personal data is important, so you gotta keep that secure, because that's your asset, okay? But guys, I'm gonna go on a little rant maybe later on, but today I just went to buy a cake and it's really nice. Like, I went to the bakery and I got like a fresh cake, and the bakery is nice and the customer service was excellent. The ladies, they were so cute, so lovely. But yeah, so went to buy a cake this morning. Gonna go and do some prepping, cooking, get ready for the barbecue. Hopefully it's not going to rain, and if it does, the show must go on, because it is what it is. But with that being said, guys, do you guys think that looking for a job has become like a dating site? Like, I really want to know, like, these days looking for a job is almost like a dating site, or like Tinder, where you just swipe. What I mean by that is companies, or I think it may be a two-way thing, but I don't understand, when did this shift happen where companies decided to be disrespectful to applicants before they even get a job? Like, they ghost you, they call you in for interviews when they're blatantly they don't want you. They don't communicate with you, and they're always giving bogus up. After COVID and everything, I feel like the market's completely changed their approach to how they actually deal with people, and that goes with so many services. Like, I'm sick and tired. Like, by the way, I'm currently employed. I'm a 9-to-5 person, but I want to change. I want to go into like a new career path. So I've been, for the past, kid you not, since January, or even way before then, I've been looking for work. Because I want to get out of my current role at the moment and really grow into something that I feel like is my purpose in life. Like, I'm really looking for that career in life that is purposeful, because I really want to live a purpose-filled life. I'm a Christian and I'm a believer of God, and I believe that we all have a purpose, that we have something that's unique about us. And I've really been working on my self-growth, my self-development, like me, and finding my purpose in life. It's like, how can I serve? How can I serve, and how can I be a service before I pass? So with that being said, in my common role, I don't detest my job. I don't hate it. Listen, it pays the bills, and I'm the kind of person where it's like, if it pays my bills, I'm gonna keep quiet, I'm gonna get on with it. But at the same time, I like to also speak up when it's necessary. I'm the kind of person where, you know, if I don't think something is not right, I'm going to speak up and I'm gonna ask questions. And I want to be in a situation, in a position to make decisions, to ask questions, and to make change. Like, I want to be in a position to make change. I don't like seeing people in power, in positions, and you come to them with issues and problems, they give you fake ideas and fake stories. But anyway, that's video. We're going to talk about that later. We're going to talk about why is it so hard to find a job in 2024 or in any situation. Like, I'm grateful, I'm thankful, I'm currently employed, but I can't imagine if I was not employed. Why is it taking me 6 months, 12 months, 2 years to find a job when I'm fully qualified, I have a degree, I've got experience, and I still can't get a job? Like, what is going on out here? What is going on in this UK job market? And they're saying, oh yeah, it's getting better. It's getting better for who? Who is it getting better for? Who? Because when I go to the shop, listen, everything seems to be going up by my salary. So I want to know, like, are you guys experiencing this kind of companies kind of like treating us like we ain't nobody's out here? But let me know. We're going to talk about this in another video. But for now, let's go in. Let's go and cook, because we've got a barbecue to make, and I need to change out of this outfit because, you know, are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, you comment. And if you're going through the struggles of looking for a job and you haven't found one, I'm gonna say this before we talk about it in another video: just don't give up, okay? Just do not give up, okay? And for me personally, I'm not going to just quit my role before I get into another one, because I don't think it's ever that deep, unless you're being mistreated at work, where you've got issues with colleagues and the company's just blatantly, deliberately just doing all they can to get rid of you. That's a completely different matter. That's like when you need to get legal advice and all of that. But if it's just a day-to-day, like, find ways to just manage, and, you know, wherever you're placed, make the best of that placement. But if it's becoming like an issue where you're really having problems, where the sun's trying to come out, where you're really having problems where they're messing with you, legal, like, listen, legal if you can. But anyway, the lighting is all messed up now, so let's go.
Go on, kids.
Ready? Up.